Hello everyone, it is winter but you are still an ice cream lover and planning to make a chocolate ice cream at home? So come on, let's check it out, making ice cream in home. Let's check out the recipe, what are the ingredients and how we are going to make and try it at your home for the best taste. Let's begin. Let's make homemade chocolate ice cream. In an empty bowl, add chilled cream and give it a mix. Using a whisker, whisk it very thoroughly. Now add condensed milk to it. Let it be the quantity how much sweetness you want and again give it a whisk. Using a whisker will make whisking easy and get dissolved in each into one another ingredients properly. Now add cocoa powder. Now mix this cocoa powder into the batter very thoroughly that no lumps should be left. Apart from cocoa powder, you can also use other chocolate powders. Now, as ever the container you like in shape square, star, heart or any other shapes, put the batter into that shaped container. And refrigerate it overnight. The next morning you can have the delicious homemade ice cream ready. So you have just checked out, we only need 3 to 4 ingredients to make such delicious homemade ice cream. This is such a simple recipe. Now you can top up this ice cream with choco chips or other your favorite toppings and serve it cool. This looks very yummy and very delicious. So go ahead and try. We are using here Hershey's chocolate sauce to top it up. See you in your next video. Yummy! It was delicious and I'm going to make this at my home right now. Are you going to do the same? So let's go and check the recipes and let's start making these kind of best things at home. To make such more things, to get some more recipes, follow our channel, give it a like and share and subscribe it. Thank you.